Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and again I am back with a new Excel function that is called count function, counter function and count blank function. Count function. So firstly I would like to explain about count function. Count function in Excel is a statistical function that is used to count the number of cells within a range that contains a numbers of empty cells and text or cells that contain errors. So let us see how count function works. So first select the cells where you want the result. So this is the cell and type count equals to count and bracket start and select the range. So this is the range which we want to count and close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you get the answer as a 38. So this is the total list is total count of 38 and we got the answer as a 38, which is correct answer. And one more thing I would like to share. This function is just consider numbers. If within this range, if you put something like text like name or abc or anything like a special character, so this function can't consider as a total count. This function will not work for such in such data, such range of data. So this function will work only for a particular numbers. Now move to the counter function. So first I would like to explain about the counter function. Counter function in Excel is used to count the number of non-empty cells in a range. It counts all cells that contains any type of data including number, text, logical value errors and empty text. So let us see how counter function works. So first select the cells where you want the result. So we have selected the cell. Now type equals to see counter and start bracket and select the range where you want which range you want to count. So we have selected and close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a 38. So in this list there have 38 count, total number of 38s. So in the counter function you can use anything to anything like text, number and a special character or anything non-empty cells. If you want to see, we put it here like tax, Neeraj, Abhishek, Saurav and anything, but still our answer will remain same as a 38, the total count of 38. But if you see here in count function, the answer will get reduced as a 33 because five numbers, five counts are which is not in number. So that is why, see, you can see here the 5 number is not a number, so this function can't consider it as a total count. And but the counter function, it consider everything. So in this basis you can use a count function, counter function and count function and counter function. Okay, so now let's move on to the another count blank function. So count blank function in Excel is being used to count the number of empty cells within a specific range. It takes a range of cells as its argument and return to the count of cells that are blank and contains no value within that range. Let us see how count blank function works. So first select the cell where you want the result, and then type equals to count blank and now select the range. So we have selected the range and close the bracket and hit the enter. So this time we do not have any of the cells which is blank, so its answer is 0, means which is correct. Now if you want to see, if I delete something like this, 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 we have deleted some column. Now you can see the total blank cells is 6. So in this basis you can use count blank functions at your workplace, and you can improve yourself among your colleagues at your workplace. Hope you guys have enjoyed learning, and thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you, thanks for watching.